Okay, we just finished reading a paragraph about earthquakes, and we are going to talk today about summarizing. It's important when we have informational text or expository text that we take the information that's given to us sometimes and we have to be able to summarize it. Lexi, can you tell me what summarizing is?
Taking important things from a paragraph and putting it in your own words, but in a shorter thing.
Okay, so taking information from the passage, tell me again.
Taking information from the passage, but putting it in your own words, and then putting it in a smaller thing instead of having those big things.
Okay, so you're taking a lot of information, condensing it into a small amount of information, but it's important that we put it in our own words. Why do we put the information in our own words when we're summarizing?
Because you don't want to steal other people's information. That's just like stealing.
Okay, so it's like stealing when you use the author's words. That's called plagiarizing. So talk to me a little bit about summarizing. How do you summarize?
Well, I start with B&E for beginning, middle, and end.
So you place a B, an M, and an E like this, correct?
Yes.
Okay, meaning beginning,
Middle, and end.
middle, and end. Okay, then what?
I take something important from the beginning, put it in my own words, and put it in front of the B.
So something important goes here. Okay.
And then something important from the second middle of it.
Okay.
And something important from the end.
Okay, and what kind of something important?
Like the first paragraph.
Catastrophic.
Catastrophic is kind of is important because it's saying at the end of it, it says in that sometimes that it could affect our lives.
Okay, so the word catastrophic, means dangerous, and that means it could affect our life. But what is the author trying to tell us? What is the main idea of that first paragraph?
About earthquakes.
It's about earthquakes, right? It tells us that this passage is going to tell us about something about earthquakes, right? Okay, so what do you think we could put for the beginning if we were going to summarize? Could we just put the main idea?
No, because that's not enough.
Okay, so what do you think?
We put
Let's read the first paragraph. Can you read it with me? Almost everyone has heard of a catastrophic earthquake, such as the famous 1906 San Francisco earthquake that leveled the city. But did you know that thousands of earthquakes happen every day? Most are so slight they can only be measured by scientific instruments. What causes this perpetual motion, and how does it affect our lives? So the author tells us, could we kind of summarize the first paragraph? Do beginning, middle, end, maybe?
yeah.
All right, so it says there's catastrophic earthquakes. Can you underline catastrophic earthquakes? Then it says that thousands happen every day. We can underline that. Thousands of earthquakes happen every day. What else do you think I could underline that might be important in that when we summarize that very first paragraph?
Some are so slight that they can only be caused by certain science instruments.
Some are so slight they can only be measured by instruments. And then it says, how does this affect our lives? So what would you summarize that first paragraph? How would you summarize it?
I'd be like, there are some earthquakes called
Sound it out.
catastrophic.
Yep. Good job.
Those are the bad ones.
Okay.
And that there are thousands of earthquakes that happen in this world
Uh-huh.
every day.
so something like there's many different earthquakes. Some can be very damaging, others are very small. Okay, so could that be the beginning of our summary?
Yeah.
All right. So many different